Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 2 to the power of 30 minus 1. So to solve this, I'm going to rewrite this as 2 to the power of 15 times 2 minus 1. Now if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 15 times 2 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 15 to the power of 2. And negative 1 is the same thing as negative 1 squared. Now, if I have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, a is 2 to the power of 15, and b is 1. So now I have 2 to the power of 15 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. Now, 2 to the power of 15, well, what's the value of that? Well, 2 to the power of 10, this is 1024. So 2 to the power of 11 is double of 2 to the power of 10, which is double of 1024, which is 2048. So now 2 to the power of 12 is double of 2048, which is 4096. 2 to the power of 13 is double of 4096, which is 8192. 2 to the power of 14 is double of that, which is 16,384. And finally, 2 to the power of 15, this is double of this, which is 32,768. So I have 32,768 plus 1 times 32,768 minus 1. And now this is equal to 32,769 times 32,767. Now, a simple way to solve this, instead of having to actually multiply them the regular way, is to rewrite this as 32,000 plus 769 times 32,000 plus 767. Now I'm going to distribute. So I get 32,000 times 32,000, which is equal to 1024,000,000. This is 1,024,000,000. And now I have this plus 32,000 times 767 plus 769. And finally, I have at the end 767 times 769, which is equal to 589,823. So let me add all of this up. You can actually do this on paper if you want, but just to make this easier, I'm gonna use a calculator to add all of this up. So if I add all of this up, I get 1,073,741,823. So this is my solution. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 4 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 8. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by taking the power of 1 over 8x on both sides. Now from here, I get 4 to the power of 1 over 8, because these two cancel out, is equal to x to the power of 1 over x, because these two 8's cancel out. Now this is the same thing as 4 to the power of 2 times 1 over 16. And I can rewrite this as 4 squared to the power of 1 over 16 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And 4 squared is 16. So I get 16 to the power of 1 over 16 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x, meaning x is equal to 16.